Hey guys, today we got a cab high Century Royal. Fits the 2019 to current model Ram, the 19 to 24 Ram new body style 5.7 bed. It's black in color. This unit's in really good shape. It doesn't hardly, there's really nothing wrong with this one at all. Paint's in good shape all the way through here. No issues. The only small issue I have up here is it looks like it has some tree sap right there and right there. That's it. Does have the Thule Roof Racks on it. The paint looks good through here. All the way through here looks good. It's not a very old unit. Down through here the paint looks good. No issues with the paint there. Bottom edge is in good shape, no damage. All the way through here. Does have the frameless side windows, the tip out windows on the side. Front window is a sliding window. Paint's in good shape, no problems up here on the front. No damage on the top edge here at all on the front edge. Down through here it all looks good, no damage. Front side, bottom edge here, no problems there. Like I said, it does have the sliding window in it, so this window slides open. Allows access into the cap from the cab and the cab from the cap. It is a little tough, it does slide a little hard, but there we go. Let me slide it back shut there. No damage there, this is just dirt from the running down the side there. Yeah, that's just dirt there. Now it's got a handprint all over the side of it. Top on the top edge. No problems, no damage at all. No damage to there. Back edge here. Looks good, no damage. The only real minor thing I did see on here is you got a couple little spots right here. The worst one's probably that one right there. That's really it. I don't know what those are, but it's a couple little spots. That's it. Bottom edge through here looks good. No damage on this bottom edge either. Does have a frameless side window on this side, tip out window. Back door is a frameless locking rear door. It's a door skirt. Back edge here is in good shape. No damage through here. No damage through here. Door skirt looks good. Inside is carpeted. Does have the carpeted interior in here. Screens are in good shape. No holes in the screens on this side. This side does have one minor little hole in the screen. It's kind of, see it right there. It's not even really bad, but there's a minor hole in the screen there. Does have LED light in here. Serial number 57 Dodge Ram 19. So that's a 19 to current model right now, 5.7 bed. Fuse box, dome light. It's in here. We don't check any of that stuff, so more than likely works. As good a shape as this one is, it probably works. But we don't check any of the electrical stuff on these. So there it is. We got a Cab High Royal. Fits the 2019 to 2024 Ram new body style trucks with the 5.7 bed. Black in color. Below is a link to this unit on our website. So you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it, make arrangements to pick it up all online. That all can be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cab repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, things like that, those can all be purchased from us as well. If you're looking for something specific, you're waiting for a unit to come in to fit your truck, to match your truck, a certain style, what have you, you'll want to subscribe below to keep up to date on units that we upload to YouTube and our website. We upload as soon as we get inventory in, so you want to subscribe below to keep up to date on that. As with all our truck caps, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.